Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this light brown smoky eye with a, I was gonna say light lip, but on the camera it looks kind of dark, but yeah. So yeah, just a light brown smoky eye, and if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So I've already got my brows done, so I'm just gonna go in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and I'm just gonna prime my lids with this. And today I will be using the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I think I'm gonna start by taking Cigar and basically putting this all over my lid. And now I'm taking a fluffier brush and I'm just gonna blend these edges out a bit. And next I'm going to go in a bit with Swicky, which is a bit more orange, and I'm just gonna put this, I'll blend it into the crease. I think I will be going in a bit with Fornex as well, and I will just be putting a tiny bit of this in my outer corner. And next I'm going in with the Big Eyes liner from Maybelline, and I'm using the black side to put in my upper waterline. Next I will be going in with the Volume Million Lashes Féline from L'Oreal Paris, and I'm putting this on my upper lashes. And now I'm gonna go over to face that you've seen so many times, so I'm going to spare you and I will be right back. So now to finish up the eyes, I think I'm just going in with Swicky underneath. Like so, and for my inner corner I am going in with Virgio, I don't know, this one. And now I'm going back in with the Volume Million Lashes Féline mascara, and I'm putting it on my lower lashes. Like so, and now I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. So I'm going back in with the Infinity palette, and I'm using the colors Cigar and Maffei to shade my face. And for blush, I'm going in with Andromeda, as per usual. And for highlight, I am going in with Virgio. And I gotta put my brows in place, so I am using the clear eyebrow gel by the Browgal. And for lips, I am going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this is in the color Sandstorm. Something like that. And for lashes, I am using the Dauntless lashes by LA Splash. You can not even see them, but they're in there. So I will be putting these on off camera and I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It is just a very simple light brown smoky eye, I would say. Nothing really that special about it. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see in a future video. I am very intrigued and very open to ideas. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.